Yo, what's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can send your streaks faster using a shortcut. So I'm going to write out my streaks here. I'm going to tell them it's for my YouTube videos just in case it says I'm screen recording, which I am, so they know. So write out your streaks, put on whatever image, whatever you want to put that on, and then once it's on, we're going to go to send it. Just want to shout out all my friends who have allowed me to add them with this account so I can create this video for you all. Right, so as you can see, I have a shortcut button, but you might not have that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click to the send to at the top. Just type a letter and then it should appear where it says shortcuts. And then you can create a shortcut. So I'm going to create one for you now. So you have to put an emoji at the top. It doesn't work with letters, just emojis. So this is going to be random. I'm just going to add on some of my friends. And then we're going to go to send this once it's created. So as you can see at the top now, I have 3 options because I created 2 as a demo just to test it out before. So, and then you click select, and that will select all of them. And if you click it again, it will unselect all of the people in this group. So you can add and remove. So if you want to add people in from a different set that you've done, then you can add them, or you can just remove one person. So I've just removed myself and it removes me from all of them, as in for this snap. So we're going to send this snap off using this shortcut. So you select all and then we're going to send it. So just to clarify, if I searched for the emoji at the top, it doesn't come up, but if I click on the shortcut thing at the top with the emoji on, the names will come up, guys. So I've sent that off now, and as you can see, it fully sent to everyone. So we're gonna send another one just to prove this works. So this is individual though. I'm gonna show you. It just takes way longer. So once you have your shortcut set up, you can just click on the shortcut, but like, you don't always have that last snap button either, or if you do, you might have only snapped to 1 or 2 people, whereas this shortcut shows everyone. Like, you could just add your whole streaks list to it and then click that every time you need to send streaks, instead of scrolling down all of these and then working out which people you have streaks with and which people you don't. So the reason I have a load of celebs is for another video of mine, which is to gain snap score really quickly, so go check that out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.